Did you know that some certificate courses are marketable than some degrees? In this video we will be discussing the most marketable certificate courses in Kenya. Stay tuned for the last two courses. Welding and Fabrication. This is one of the most marketable technical course you can consider pursuing in Kenya. It equips one with the necessary welding skills and one can easily opt for self-employment by opening a workshop. The course is taught in most technical and vocational training institution in Kenya. Building and Construction. This technical course equips you with the necessary skills to work in the construction industry. With this certificate, you can easily venture into self-employment and become a contractor. With a D+ in KCSE you are good to go. Electrical Installation. A certificate in electrical installation can land you a lot of good opportunities, whether employed or self-employed. This course will definitely guarantee you a steady flow of electrical installation jobs, be it in residential or commercial units. Automotive Engineering. A certificate in automotive engineering qualifies you to be a competent motor vehicle mechanic. It equips the learner with the necessary skills required to repair any type of motor vehicle. Also, venturing into self-employment becomes easy with this course as it is one of the most technical courses in Kenya. Refrigeration and Conditioning. This course is one of the best certificate courses to pursue in Kenya as it is still untapped. It equips one with the necessary skills to repair and maintain fridge and conditioners. Graduates of this course are well sorted out after completion of their education, even though many prefer to venture into self-employment. Before we continue, if you enjoy the video, kindly take a moment to hit the subscribe button and also the like button for more interesting videos. Certificate in Plumbing. Plumbing is very marketable in Kenya due to the high demand that is arising as more people are building their house and organizations. It equips one with the necessary skills to fit and maintain water systems in buildings. With this course you can easily venture into self-employment and later make it in life. Certificate in Baking and Pastry. Cake baking is one of the fastest growing ventures in Kenya. This certificate will equip you with the necessary skills to bake different types of cakes and pastries and will also help you venture into self-employment. It's advisable to consider working in an urban setting since there is high demand for cakes and pastries.